What are set dances in Irish dance? Have you ever found yourself tapping your feet to the lively rhythms of Irish music? If so, you might be curious about the dances that bring this music to life. One fascinating aspect of Irish dance is set dancing. So, what exactly are set dances in Irish dance? Set dances are a lively form of folk dance that is deeply rooted in Irish traditions. They are typically performed in groups, often consisting of 8 or 4 dancers. The structure of these dances is based on quadrilles, which were originally court dances from France. Over time, the Irish adapted these dances, infusing them with their own unique style and music. In a typical set dance, you will see 4 couples arranged in a square formation. Each couple has a designated position. The couple facing the band is known as first tops, while the couple opposite them is referred to as second tops. The couples on the sides are called first sides and second sides. This arrangement creates a dynamic interaction among the dancers. The dance itself is organized into several figures, each with its own sequence of steps. These figures often start and end with movements that everyone performs together, creating a sense of unity. However, during the figures, individual couples or pairs of couples may dance separately, showcasing their own flair. One of the most exciting aspects of set dancing is its regional variations. Different areas of Ireland have their own styles that reflected local music and dance traditions. For instance, set dances from County Clare often include footwork similar to Irish step dancing. In contrast, those from County Cork and Kerry might feature lively polkas and jigs. If you want to experience the joy of set dancing firsthand, attending a local Céilí is a fantastic way to do so. A Céilí is a social gathering where people come together to enjoy music and dance. At these events, you can watch skilled dancers perform and even join in to learn some steps yourself. Set dancing is not just a form of entertainment. It is a celebration of community and culture. It brings people together, allowing them to share in the joy of movement and music. So, the next time you hear the lively tunes of Irish music, think of the vibrant set dances that accompany it. They are a beautiful expression of Irish traditions and a wonderful way to connect with the rich history of Irish dance.